代罪羔羊，代罪羔羊。
It originally is not a Chinese idiom and completely came from Western. Bible says Jesus had no sin, but he died for all sinners on the cross. Thus their sins can be removed and forgiven. The expression
代罪羔羊
in English is scapegoat. It is used when someone becomes another scapegoat. For example,
佢慘被成為代罪羔羊，同事嘅錯失，以致佢被公司炒魷。佢慘被成為代罪羔羊，同事嘅錯失，以致佢被公司炒魷魚。
In English, it means he pitifully became a scapegoat. Because of his colleague's mistake, he was fired by the company. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you next time.